So here's my pan. I put in very little oil because the chicken has a lot of oil in it. And so now I'm going to go ahead and put in my onion. Yeah, now I'm putting my onion and let it cook. This tomato and let it cook until it's kind of golden brown. And then I'm going to put in my tomatoes and spices. I love chilies and soy sauce for the chicken. And then since I had already boiled the chicken, I will just let it cook for like 5 minutes and it will be out. So I have put in my tomatoes and I will let it cook in low heat for some 2 minutes. Then I'll add in my spices and chicken and just let it cook for 5 minutes and it will be ready. So as you can see, my tomatoes are soft. They're soft now. I've put in a little of the chicken broth inside here. So they're medium cooked. They're not so much cooked. They're not overcooked. I like them that way so that they don't cook so much. So now I'm going to put in the chicken and adding spices in it. I'll put in curry powder. I'd already put in some salt. I'd already boiled this chicken so that when I come to fry it, I'll just fry it for just 5 minutes and then it will be ready. So I'm going to put in here some spices and soy sauce. I love the soy sauce because it has natural ingredients and also curry powder. So as you can see, my chicken here, I've put in the spices. I've put in here chilies, curry powder, soy sauce. I love soy sauce because it has natural ingredients. And so I'm going to cover it and let it cook for maybe like 5 minutes and then it will be ready because I had already boiled this chicken, so there's no need for it to overcook. So I'm just going to cover it and let it just cook for some 5 minutes and then it will be ready. I separated the chicken broth because it had a lot of fat on it and just used very little oil, and the broth from the chicken I put in very little. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook for some 5 minutes and it will be ready. So my chicken stew here is ready and I will go ahead and serve it with ugali. Wow, it smells so nice. I love the smell. So it's ready now and I'll go ahead and serve it. So my chicken stew with ugali is ready and this is how it turned out. I tried to reduce the oil as much as possible. It smells so nice. So we will go ahead and have this delicious meal. And please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell so that you don't miss on these unique nice videos. So this ugali with chicken stew, and we will have it with this juice. I love making natural juices, but it ran out, and so bought this one to go well with our delicious meal. So cheers, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.